Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change ticket time on Trainline. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Trainline application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Trainline. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have in the bottom, as you can see, the search, where you can go and search for your next destination. You have my ticket, where you can see all of your tickets. And we have your account, where you can see everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change ticket time on Trainline. So it is pretty easy, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, it's possible to change it, of course, right up until your scheduled departure, but a fee will of course be applied. So if you want to change the ticket, you'll have to pay an ordinary fee. So to change your ticket, find it in my bookings. So you have it in my tickets here. As you can see, we have an example ticket here. I don't have any tickets at the moment, but you'll have here a ticket if you of course buy one. Then expand manage my booking and choose change time date, and then you will see of course what the fee is, and you can then easily change it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.